Welcome to the hidden AutoCAD trick that can instantly clean up your messy layers. Only 1% of AutoCAD users know this trick, and it can instantly clean up messy layers. Prepare to be amazed. Are you dealing with too many layers, random colors, and locked, frozen, unused junk everywhere? Yeah, we've all been there. Don't redraw. Don't manually delete. You only need ONE command to solve this. That command is LAYDEL. Type LAYDEL and hit Enter. Next, select the layer you want to remove directly from the drawing. And boom, AutoCAD deletes the layer, even if there are objects inside it. No more hassle. Want it even cleaner? Here's a pro tip. Use LAYMRG. LAYMRG allows you to merge all unwanted layers into one single, clean layer. This means no lost objects and no chaos, just a perfectly organized layer structure. The result? Your file becomes lighter, faster, and easier to edit, just like a professional CAD drawing should be. Follow for more hidden AutoCAD tricks and comment layers if this saved your time. Happy drafting!